this vertical move on gold H1 time frame on Friday can be first sign that this was double bottom, and if this is a double bottom near 1620, because first movement was started when Bank of England started QE monetary policy. It went up and came down, and now UK PM have resigned. But last week FOMC member gave a signal of rate hike size decrease, and they said it many times that they will decrease rate hike size from 75 to 50 basis point in December FOMC meeting. And now it is trading again above 1642 support, and next target is 1681. And for a bullish entry you can wait for again retest of 1642 or sideways correction, but next bullish target can be 1727, because before that there is a no big selling opportunity, because this was ending diagonal chart pattern breakout, and this can be a giant flat correction. Since H1 time frame always give us limited information, but H4 give us more information. This was our top and this was our bottom, and this can be a sideways correction between 1730 and 1620, and this last leg has reached near 38% retracement, which is our minimum retracement target, then 1673, 1686. And if we expect retracement for this entire trend, then there is a no stop based on Elliott wave theory before 1727, and this time it can hit 61% retracement at 1734, because this can be ABC flat correction, because everyone was waiting for Fed pivot and it has many stage. First was rate hike size decrease, because now they are hiking 75 basis point, and if rate hike size decrease to 50 either in November, but they are now saying for December FOMC meeting. That is why we saw vertical price action on Friday. Then these buyer will not stop until next FOMC meeting next week. Then next thing is rate hike pause, and then last one is rate cut, and for that we have to wait until next year, and that will start either in Feb or March 23. And this is first sign of reversal in Fed monetary policy, and right now it is making double bottom, because this one when ECB started QE, and this was when Bank of England started QE, and this is when Fed slowing speed of rate hike. So this is our support 1620, and this is our resistance 1730, and this is your sideways correction. And if you have missed this entry right at the bottom, then all the information were available in Telegram channel, when it was testing lower trend line of this chart pattern. That is the difference between Telegram and YouTube, because by the time we record then upload video, everyone could miss entire opportunity. So until price break these two level 1730 and 1620, there is a no big trend in gold, and this is just a sideways range on higher time frame. But daily time frame of gold, this top at 2070 to this double bottom at 1622, because this wave count, the double zigzag WXY pattern has been completed, and now price is making double bottom, because there is a no selling entry until price go back to 1622. Then we will sell and target 1500. But before that, since FOMC member have changed their tone for monetary policy, so you can see change in trend, and if this is a double bottom, then it will not stop until it hits 1730 once again, because 38% retracement is almost done. And when price breaks 1730, that will be first sign for a bullish trend. But there is a one more problem. If this is a correction for this entire trend top to bottom, then correction can go up to 1800. And key economic news this week is on Friday. PCE inflation number, the last were 4.9 and expectation number are 5.2%. And if they goes above 5% and they do not stop, they keep going up, then Fed can raise interest rate once again, and this can be election drama in USA, because we have this week and FOMC next week, and after that we have election, and after midterm election they can change their mind instantly like they did in July FOMC and Jackson Hole meeting, because all the big money manager who manage $1 trillion are in loss, and this will be planned market correction for every asset class, and till then it can make a sideways correction, and do not expect that it will hit $2000. And this too big Biden election politics, because ultimately gold will not reverse until they start cutting interest rate, and we have to wait till March next year. So selling opportunity are gone until daily candle close below 1622. Till then we are short term bullish, and first target is 1730, then 1800. And key news is FOMC, and now macro trend is bullish, so price can stay bullish till November FOMC meeting. So no selling until price goes back below 1622, and before that intraday buying on H1 up to 1730, because this was started when Bloomberg published this story that Fed Bullard is Wall Street hint for Fed pivot, and this one is pivot for slow rate hike. And if we go back to H1 time frame, then 1642 is our support and 1681 is resistance, then 92, and if it make a sideways correction before FOMC meeting, then you can buy and target up to 1730, but no selling until it go back to 1620. Then we will start selling with target up to 1560, but before that, short term bullish until midterm election in USA is over.